Good afternoon,
These are
sir.
the on-the-job trainees we have in the office. They're joining me for the.
Effectively, they said the double garage going to come out double width, so everything has got to go. The water the higher lot over here, except for the perimeter fence, front fence will go. So it comes up along services, comes into the it's got a junction off which goes into there. That will just have to be diverted. My thoughts are the water from the people coming into the corner here, that corner, so it's back where we had the outdoor WC laundry area and storage shed, the water tank on top. Wanted to run the water down to there up the back, have a jet pump running, drawing the water from the storage tanks out near the deep well to fill my tank, and then having a booster pump for the pressure system in the house. I'm running a pressure system for my apartment up there as well, all isolated from this one. That would be double carport. That where the shed is, that corner would be the service area. I'd have WC there, laundry station with outdoor bench, sink in it, storage area. I've got water softener set up that I need to put in there, all the pump housings and that sort of stuff all need to be coordinated somewhere around that corner of the site.
Right now, our first goal is to demolish the area. I would like to ask if you have the current plans for the house, so that we can clearly see on the amount of columns it has, and the amount of things.
I'll have to find out if the owner he's got I doubt it. I doubt you.
Because it's better if we have the current plan, so we won't have the hassle to measure it ourselves. But if it's okay with you,
find out before you have to go the hassle. If we don't have to do it, then
but we can do a rough estimate right now if it's fine with you. Because,
it's not that complicated. It's don't need to worry about. It's just a basic bungalow. That's the first step there, and then all the other stuff like that. The ground levels when we get the plan done, because of the way the perimeter of the ground is, so lower at the back corner, and where the curb levels here. I wanted the floor level up in there to be this high above the curb level here, the driveway's above the curb, and having that fall from the back corner all the way out to the front, surface water pickups and everything running down. So all the rainwater goes around the perimeter of the block. You can see the open drain runs down through here. All my drainage would want to be concealed, no open drains, because with all the areas around here in the subdivision, get problems with rats, stuff like that coming through the drainage, right? I don't want to open that. But that's where the stormwater runs out. You see that there's a channel which runs out underneath there, goes out into the street. There's stormwater that then runs all the way down to the side of the block and out through there. The stormwater collects up down the back side. That's where all the hail stormwater seep runs through all these channels through there. Just need to have all that sort of done. But this is all got to go. But this is the side access through the frames and concrete pumps and lots of things to worry about. And the driveway access, that's all the new roads, that's nice and strong. That's quite nice.
With regards to the floor plan, I think it would be better if you have a schedule with the architect.
That's the next stage as well. Just talking to Jasper about that one now. He said we had a meeting yesterday, so it's got to be the finalised plan. I've got some ideas. I've got to get a paper for him to finalise that sort of stuff. To make sure we get all that working.
All right. Right here, right now, what we should do first is, if it's okay with you, we're gonna look around the site so that we can get a better idea of what we're dealing.
Go and look around. It's pretty flat. It's basically flat side. In the house, it steps up in the floor, but the outside is just flat. But this is just going to be. We will relocate this shed. This is a tool shed that I built. So it's got all our tools and stuff there, but that's going to be relocated to another part of the.
This will be demolished as well.
Yes, another way we'll be taking off the roller shutter and maybe some part of the roof and relocating it, but it's all probably the hollow blocks will have to be demolished. But yes, but the perimeter fence all has to stay. So just everything, every bit of grass, all the concrete out here, start from scratch.
Just poof. Everything down.
It's all low spot here with drainage. You see the mold build up here, where the floor level is going to be. If you look at the floor level from here, the door goes to when it comes into the back bed, about there. But then all these ground levels and stuff, so these have to be built up to be at least 200 or 300 higher than the curb level. The floor level needs to be a good 8 inches above that again as well. Once we get the plan finalised, I'll be going around with spot levels. You've got laser levels or anything like that?
You left it in the office.
I don't forget anything now, later on. So I'll be going around and I can put on there and we can get some levels. I'll be indicating levels for everything. So ground level here, from that corner, this corner, floor levels, carport levels, water levels, everything.
I agree. Yeah.
Will be all done. And then we'll clean a lot of that stuff up through here, but that'll be cleaned up. All this solar steel, but the only thing that needs to stay is 3 perimeter. I'm not sure. You might have to have, if you have a look around, they've got all these sump pits down where all rainwater downpipes come through, some stuff, but I don't know exactly where the septic tank is. I don't know where it comes in through it. I don't know if it's under the carport or where it is through there.
That's why we need to see that if you have the plan, you actually know where it is, because you might accidentally
find out.
hit it. Or
my friend who lives in here, he he's living in here, but he's over there drinking with all the expats at the moment. I can't see now, but I'll find out tomorrow.
All right.
We catch up and then see if he has any plans for that. Because I asked him where the septic tank was months ago. He had no idea as well. It's got to be out the back here somewhere, but I would suspect it might be over this area somewhere over here. Because I don't think that's going to suffice the new house.
There's got to be an access.
Got to be an access point somewhere. It's got to be something. But I'm looking at that might have to be just pulled out, rebuilt as part of the new work. But demolition, it's got to be identified. But it's all this concrete comes up there. I'm sure you'll run into it somewhere.
Eventually,
and a lot of the inside the house as well, basically for demolition as well, because he's got his ex-wife with it who's living in Butuan. Things like the kitchen cabinets and some of the toilet, some of the fittings inside the house and all these sort of things, they'll be taken before the house gets demolished. So there'll be some things in there. We'll get as much of that as we get out beforehand. It'll just be an empty shell of a house with the walls and roofs and windows and stuff like that.
I understand the gist of everything. Everything just poof, done.
We're starting like a new lot.
It's a new lot. Aside from the fence, everything is just done.
Well, the original thought was going to be to try and renovate this to get it somewhere habitable, but it's just too much work.
But do you plan to like the fence height, or you're just fine with it?
This is new in the back here, but given the design that we've got, we're only 1.5 metres off the back here. This is really just going to be a service access. There's 3 metres off that fence. So we've got this design, we've got 3 metres off that fence to the fresco and then to the side wall of the master bedroom. There, this will be landscaped and turf. But this will be just pretty much a concrete path from this side of the fresco area, which is up to the back of the carport area and to the WC up the back, like outdoor living area.
Your air conditioning, do you still plan to use it again? Or
all the air cons will be gone. They're all going to be new as well. So everything in the house will be new. Yeah, there'll be air cons. I have we haven't seen the floor plan yet, but the way I work out is it's going to be split systems for each bedroom, and in the kitchen, the main living area is having a slim ducted air con system in a bulkhead, like the hotels have. Just need to do some landscape moves and painting of the outside walls down to clean them all up and maybe some patching. Whatever.
I'm going to do that in the way. I'm going to take a look around.
If you've got any questions, just shoot them off if you've got questions.
But now, I don't have questions now.
I just need some photographs and
sketches.
Visual conception of where you're at and whatever. So when
that's pretty much it. And aside from that, it's the floor plan. Get a more accurate. So
anything if you wanted to. I've measured the house once before, years ago, and the floor area of the bungalow, excluding the carport, but the floor area of the bungalow is about 120 square metres. You look at that 120 square metres, then you can actually see all the external columns around where it goes in for the footings. And I think there's 1 or 2 inside internals. That's about it. There's not that many. You do demolition by machine hire, or by hand?
You do both, actually. Okay. It really depends on how big the project is. Because bigger project means we need more machinery for it. Yeah. But in this small scale, like by hand, to reduce costs. To reduce costs, it won't be too expensive because machine renting is really. But if you want to go faster, we can do machine, but it's just gonna cost more.
No, the big machine. I said even demolition hammer's pretty quick. We've done some projects here. We just get demolition hammer and it's pretty quick. Because I've seen Filipino demolish a building with a hammer and a concrete nail in a plastic tube, and you go, oh my god, it just takes forever. So they're just chipping away at it. You go, no, but if you got a demolition, because we built that, I don't know if you see that white building next door, build the solar panels there. That's 24 apartments in there. We built that about 4 or 5 years ago. That used to be the other half of the AL pads, and there was a swimming pool there, staff house, and 4 hotel rooms on the other half of the property. We demolished all that with 24 apartments. That's, I think, 5, 6 years ago. I did the sacking and spent the last 6 months finishing it myself.
Like the builder didn't cooperate the property, but
I just buy and steal and like misappropriate the money and do whatever. When we try to get when we have materials, then we don't have the money for that, so we gave you the money for that. Blah blah blah. This and that. Blah, blah, blah. Like doing. I finished it myself.
very well, sadly, that's really the truth about construction here in the Philippines. There's really contractors
But
that
that's the same thing. Is that same builder who's been working for the guy I'm standing, my friend here, built his house, did repairs. He's done multiple projects for him over the last 20 years.
they're all good.
And they're all like, hey, I might just think he rubbed me the wrong way. I hate it. I tell you, I don't never want to see him again.
Don't worry. Here in GMG, you don't have to worry about the cost because once we give you a final cost, that's really about it. Well, unless there's like changes that you want.
They'll make the changes. I'm pretty diligent with that sort of stuff. Everything's going to be documented. Everything's going to be said. I've got documents I've got to write up there, but it's all in my head. I've been researching the product, so all that can be quantified. I've got specification lists of everything that's going to be toilets, and taps, and their links as well, prices and all that sort of stuff. So I can put PC lists together and PC sums for it. If I don't know exactly, I'll put a PC sum for it. It'll be reasonable for what I want.
Actually, that's good. Actually, that's also better for us because we can communicate with you better.
I know all about this stuff. I've been in the residential construction industry for going on 45, 46 years now. I've built thousands of houses.
Australia, right? You're a contractor there.
I was there, yeah.
So it's nice you have experience with all this.
Mostly. Now I just run consulting business. Construction estimating. I build estimating systems for Australian builders, software and stuff like that. Teach them and train them and all that sort of stuff there.
Does it also apply here in the Philippines or just there in Australia?
No, you could do it for anything. The principle's the same.
That's true.
Yeah, principle's the same. So yeah, I build systems where we could do. I do bills of quantities for contracted for houses. Like you imagine a house like that next door, you need a double-story house like that. Every piece of material, every selection, every bit of labour, or whatever, we can get an entire bill of quantities for about 36 pages of bill of quantities, fully detailed and done in about 4 hours.
4 hours. That's impressive.
100% accurate.
Right. We're just gonna take a look around, right? Is it okay if we go inside the house or?
Let me just check with these boys that have obviously will come out and all those sort of things will be done. It'll just be a bare house.
So nothing you want to reuse anymore, like that for chandeliers and.
Or anything that's going to they want to use
You'll just remove it.
the family of him and everything will take. I don't want anything.
Right.
Somebody, if you've got friends and family who want to take stuff, it'll be empty, but essentially it'll be a bit. You can see where to step up, go to. Obviously, there's ground levels up here. It's just a little bathroom there, and I'm suite in the corner through here. And the 3 bedrooms, that's it.
So this house basically elevated. All right, thank you so much. Just take a look around more, just catch it up if you can.
Find out where the septic tank is.
That too. And if ever you have questions, we just contact you again.
No problem. Yeah.
I guess Sir Jasper will also contact you regarding what's the next step. And all.
We already got the next steps out, just looking at the design. I'm going to get some stuff. Yeah, nothing I'm not sure. I'm going to talk to Jasper about it. He only messaged me 15 minutes ago to say you were coming out. Was I'm going to talk to him about. Obviously, you've got a number of projects underway at the moment.
Yes, actually.
I wanted to get him to take me around, have a look at the stuff that's currently underway, just to look at
We have an idea of what we're
your methods and your finishing techniques and quality of finishes. So before we go to the next step. So I'll message him. I know you come up. I'll message him and tell him maybe on the weekend or first thing next week, early next week, we can do that.
Yeah.
And then then if everything's good, we can be in a position to move forward to the next step.
kind of seems like a plan.
Okay. Well, yeah, that'd be the
Thank you
next thing. Yeah. Then I can get on to doing some documentation for you. Just have a look around, and I'll just hang around here for a bit. And if you've got any questions,
Sure, I'll just shoot away. Thank you so much. We'll just... Okay. Teka lang. Ito, pangito. Si Sir Dia. Sir David. Sana ang bata na mo. Nag-FK si Sir.
Ngita doon siya kwarta. Bet, tanaw na ko sa doon.
Yan ang balay niya sa bulod ba?
Anak ko.
Tang-tang
Check na ko.
Teka is magbagyo.
Wala si Sir Curb. Wag ni uli siya sa ila.
Pero ayun, okay lang fencing. Ang problema na ako. Kay ayaw, itang-tang siya. Pero na-connected. Connected ng one. So, kung need, if ka nang ma-release dira, it's within property, need pag-approval sa DNR or DB. When it comes to tree removal, nandiyan ka na sa DNR.
Dimensions, everything.
Distance, siguro ba?
Walang pastulod.
Wala. Isulat ko. Perfect, alright?
I think these boys are in the back corner bedroom door.
I won't go in the rooms anymore. We'll just take a look around so we can get an idea of how it looks. Bedrooms, one bathroom.
Debate kayo. Naibash pa niyo mo.
We got everything that we need, and then we'll just contact again. We just need to assess what we have so we can give a proper feedback for you. 3 bedrooms and 1 bathroom, right?
2 with an ensuite bathroom in the master bedroom in the front, and there's a door at the end of
alright.
the hallway. Is a small bathroom there.
Thank you so much. We'll see each other again.
No, we'll do it.
Thank you. Definitely be the one who's contacting you and consolidate
I'll,
everything that we
I'll
have.
message you now that on-site visit and look at some projects, and we'll see when we can organise that, and then we'll go to the next stage with commencement and
With the
and
architect.
the architect and copy out.
Thank you so much.
Okay, alright, thank you.
It's very nice to meet you. Okay.
Sa
Okay, napunta tayo.
fluent ka.
Okay na akong storya ba?
Fluent ka.
Ang
Wala yung Pinoy nga.
Tawa na may sa call. Okay na. Bye.